Hi friends, previously I have made a vlog about the rice bowls in McDonald's, and today I will be trying this curry rice bowl from McDonald's. So this is how it looks. This is the curry sauce, and this is the rice bowl from McDonald's. I will be opening it up and I will pour the curry sauce over the rice and the chicken. So this is how the rice and the chicken looks, and I will pour the curry sauce over the rice and the chicken. But before I pour the curry sauce over the chicken and the rice, I will try first the chicken, how it is without the curry. It tastes good. It's savory. The chicken itself is moist and flavorful. I think the breading over the chicken has the taste. It has also a little bit kick of spice. Then we'll try the rice. The rice itself is already flavored. It's a little bit salt and savory. So let's pour the curry sauce. It's a little bit thick over the rice and the chicken. So we'll see, that's enough for now. Let's try the sauce first. It's a little bit sweet, tangy, and spicy, and you could really taste the taste of the curry. So we'll try it all together, the chicken, the sauce, and the rice. See how it's the combination. The chicken and the curry is okay. Actually, the curry flavor is not that strong, but I could really taste the spice of the other spices. I mean the heat from all the spices. This is a mildly spiced meal, and it's also very flavorful, and I really love the rice. If the chicken was newly fried, maybe if I ate this in the restaurant, then maybe it will be more crunchy and there will be added texture to this meal. But right now, this meal is really very flavorful. Combination of sweetness, tanginess, and spice. This is a good meal if you really want something that's a little bit spicy. But I think I would prefer the first rice bowl that I tried, the one with the beef patty and the chicken, the mushroom gravy. That I think mixes well with the rice compared to this one. But this one is also a good meal. So if you see this in McDonald's, don't hesitate to try it. Also, I would like to try the chicken teriyaki next, but I heard it's really sweet. We will see. That chicken curry rice bowl meal from McDonald's is really spicy for me, but I can still tolerate it. So if you really enjoy this kind of food, try it and you be the judge. But for me, the flavor that's standing out is really the heat from the spices. I didn't taste much of the curry, and the sauce is a little bit sweet. The chicken is nice, soft and moist inside, and also could have been crunchy when it was newly fried. So the best among this meal is really the rice. That is what I really liked, even from the first rice bowl that I tried. So do try it out when you see it in McDonald's. I have yet to try the chicken teriyaki. I am really happy that they have these rice meals now compared to the one that they had before, which was really just chicken fillet with some Arabic flavor. So I hope you like our video for today. If you liked our video, please like, share, and subscribe. And please do comment on what you want me to try next. And I will try to do it for you and also make a shout out for your suggestion. So until our next video, this has been Lorraine reminding you that God loves you. Bye-bye.